Hello, Rico. I'm going to teach you how to crack the private groin area. You might be asking, oh, what lessen my chance of having babies? Well, I'm actually talking about cracking this area. And this would create some flow into your legs, create some energy, some boost in your legs, and create a lighter feeling. So what we do is to first massage the thigh area near the groin area. Second is to elevate your seating. And third is to push down on your knees, feel the stretch, feel the resistance, and then push even further for the cracks. So let's get to it. Let me show you how it's done. So first of all, you massage your thigh, like so. So you massage it like this. It's easier if you put your foot on a chair and then you massage it. Loosen it up. The closer to the groin area, the better. And then do the same thing for the other side, like so. Like just massage it like this, like back and forth. Also underneath, go like this. Once you're ready, get a pillow to elevate your seating. So I would make it even higher, like so. So you sit on it, your seating's elevated, you put your feet together like so, and then you push and stretch and feel the resistance. Once you feel the resistance, you push all the way down, and then you hear the crack. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Alright, please consult your doctor, physical therapist, or chiropractor. I'm just a wedding singer. Peace out.